Looking to find a GCF of 9 and 15. They both divide by 3. That's the greatest thing that they divide by. There are an x and an x squared here, so I'm going to divide by x because they have the x in common. I rewrite the GCF down, and it is 3x. Then I get a 3x when I divide that, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. The x's cancel here. Okay. 6. If I divide by 11, that's my greatest common factor. I get 2x squared minus 1. 8. 10 divides by 2. 2 divides by 2. That's their greatest common factor. 10 divided by 2 is 5. I leave the x, and I get minus 1 right there. Okay, so that should cover everything. Moving on to that next page, 12 and 13, for those of you who didn't finish it in class. So we've been shown the x method, and it multiplies to 6 times 1, so I get 6 up top. It adds to the middle number, which is 5. 2 times 3 multiplies to 6 and adds to 5. So this is the multiplies version. This is the adds to. Then I move that into a box where I rewrite the first term in the first box. So the first term is the x squared. The last term is the 6. That's that last box. And then the sides that I got from here, when I did the multiplies to and adds to, I'm going to put the 2 here and the 3 here so that it matches these 3 x's and those 2 x's from the picture they already gave us. Almost always, this is going to end up being an x times an x. I don't need anything else because it has no number there. X times 2 makes 2x. X times 3 makes 3x. I get x plus 2 times x plus 3 is my answer. We can double check that by doing 2 times 3 does equal 6. Okay, which of the following is a correct model for that? So again, I'm going to make an x method. 2 times 4 makes 8, adds to 9. This is going to be the easy one that we always forget. It's 8 times 1 makes 8, and 8 plus 1 makes 9. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double check all of these. This is 8 and 2, incorrect. This is 8 and 1, that's a possibility. This is 6 and 1, not a possibility. So it has to be B. We don't need to do any more work than that. And we are done with our homework for the day. Took me about 5 minutes to do. Hopefully you went home and did it. If you watched my video all the way to the end, you are going to go ahead and put a heart on your paper right there over the NY.